In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list your NFTs to OpenSea for selling. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each field means, and how to confidently prepare a clean, accurate listing. First, open your browser and head to OpenSea.io. Make sure you're already signed in and your wallet is connected so the items in your collection appear correctly. Once the homepage loads, move your cursor to the profile icon in the top right corner. Hovering there reveals a small menu. Choose Profile to open your account area. Inside your profile, switch to the Items tab. This view shows the NFTs you own across supported collections. If you have a large collection, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the exact NFT you want to sell by name or collection. When you locate it, select the item to open its detail page. On the item page, look for the List Item button. Click it to open the listing form. Here's where you set the specifics of your sale. Start by choosing the quantity. If this is a single edition NFT, you'll typically leave this as 1. If it's a multi-edition asset, you can choose how many copies you want to list from your available balance. Next, enter the amount, which is your sale price. This is usually shown in a cryptocurrency like ETH. Consider recent floor prices and trait rarity to stay competitive. Pricing too high can slow sales, too low can leave value on the table. You can always adjust later if needed, but double check the currency and decimals so you don't accidentally list for more or less than intended. Then set the duration by selecting days. This determines how long your listing will remain active before it expires. Shorter durations can create urgency, while longer durations provide more exposure. Choose the option that fits your selling strategy, and be mindful of time zones when you want the listing to end. Before you proceed, review important details on the page, including the item name, quantity, price, and any indicated fees such as marketplace fees or creator royalties. Confirm your listing on the correct network for the NFT. When everything looks right, click Review Listing. This brings up a final summary so you can confirm there are no typos or mismatched settings. After reviewing, follow the on-screen guidance to finish up as prompted by the platform. That's it. You've navigated to your profile, located your NFT, set quantity, price, and duration, and prepared the listing for final confirmation. Happy selling and good luck with your drop.